Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're out for a Sunday afternoon stroll through the Alaskan wilderness. Not particularly for any special reason. We're just out for a walk.
Oh, look. A firewood round that we left. A couple of them.
Quite a
chainsaw.
bit of firewood, yeah.
It's all small stuff now, but still.
Okay, here's the spruce laying over here. I need to get a beam made out of this, and the rest of it will be firewood. Yeah, this is a little more water than we're used to back in here.
Probably a beaver lodge back there somewhere. They're gonna take over.
Well, right down here at this slough will tell us a lot. We'll see how wet it is on the trail. Yep, and ice, but I think, oh, this is not bad at all through here so far. At least I haven't stepped and fallen into a hole.
Yeah, you're saving up for me.
I see the dogs went ahead of us to prepare the way. And now we come to a slough we have to walk across. So let's see how interesting this gets. Nothing to it so far. Yeah, a little bit of wet down there, but nothing that would stop the four-wheeler from coming through here. Well, it looks different because we haven't been out here this time of the year in a long time. It's normally all white.
Here's the rose hips out here.
I see birch bark.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rose hips are really bad.
I'd say they'd be really good if they would actually produce. I don't know why they don't.
And we arrive at our meadow. And this will give us an indication as to just how wet it is around here.
The Beaver's Lodge. We've been out here in the summertime before and it wasn't like this.
To the right, down there, is a beaver dam. And I probably will go down and maybe tomorrow sometime and rip it completely out.
Oh yeah.
Let this drain.
I thought we needed dynamite for that.
No, that's for the Beaver Lodge, not the dam. Okay, you're about to go over your boot top.
Yeah, we can't even get out here. Whee! You want to wrestle in the water?
No, that's okay.
The
My
dogs
doctor,
won't mind.
my doctor told me not to be doing stuff like that.
Sure he did. Like this, too. Yeah, that's a little on the deep side.
Walking now into our wood cutting area. And as soon as some things are cut out of the way, all we have to do is bring the four-wheeler and the trailer and just come right in here.
Sure you don't want this?
I'm positive. You can have it.
Rose hips. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay. That was mealy, not juicy. Let me see this other one.
Oh, sorry.
I want better. There go the seeds.
And we're coming out now on the river end of our meadow, as we call it. And this is where the beavers have really been busy. They've got everything dammed up in here. They've created themselves a nice little lake right here.
Well, yeah, look at, you can see over here where they see the trees down.
Yep. Just letting everybody know we're lost.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Where's the trail?
We're off the trail.
I know we're
Look,
off.
that's the little trail right there.
Well, I know that's a little trail. But where is the main trail?
We're not lost, people. Don't listen to them.
There's the big chunk of birch bark. I mean, this little trail goes on for many miles. Alrighty then.
Hey, look at the Great Jay.
Somewhere is the main trail right in here. Find it. We wander as we wander, looking for the trail. This is an animal trail, and the dogs ran off and left us, so we can't ask them to lead us home. So, oh, this is the way. Came through here. Oh, and there's that piece of bark. Or that, what's left of a tree. And here comes Lupa. They're coming back to rescue us. Whew. And we can go right through here.
Oh no, we're lost. Whatever shall we do? Oh, let's make a fire out of a stick.
Yeah, we're going to rub 2 sticks together, build a fire.
Make an SOS.
Well, I hear Takani barking off in the distance. Not sure exactly what that means.
It means, you know, a piece of ground fell or Timmy the squirrel threw a pine cone at him.
Alrighty, this is kind of looking familiar, but not.
What?
Do you know the way home?
He says, yeah, but I'm not telling you.
Very interesting. I don't recall walking quite that far. Okay, just so nobody is panicking, we're not really lost. We're headed back to our crossover spot that leads into the meadow. And it's kind of hard to pull, oh honey, we're lost on Michelle. She doesn't fall for it, so. Yeah, I tried. Have you enjoyed your outing today, my dear?
Of course. Any day outside in the wilderness is a perfect day.
And it's been a gorgeous day. I don't know what the temperature is, but...
Well, it was 68 in the sun.
well, yeah. Oh, and this is the main trail back home. See? We weren't really lost. And like I said, she didn't fall for it, so... oh well. Well, as enjoyable as our journey through the wilderness was, we had to get back and get to work. And work includes getting the mud motor ready and headed out to gather firewood.
Is there a lot more water?
No, not that much.
Okay.
I do need to clean the leaves out of this thing.
I see this paddle lost part of its handle.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay, before you get all hooked up, do you want to take this stuff so I'll be ready to untie us?
Yeah. I mean, I can do, well, I can't do this until I get the prop in the water. Well, as I showed you in a previous video, this shelf I was stepping down on, I was talking about it giving way. Well, it gave way. And narrow path to walk now.
Don't know why I'm wearing my life jacket into the woods.
In case you fall in the water.
Or if a bear gets me.
Yeah.
At least they'll find the life jacket.
Yep. Well, 24 hours later, after taking a really nice walk over our property with the sun beaming down on us, we wake up this morning to this. Cloudy skies. Thus it is in Alaska. You never know from one day to the next what the weather's going to be, regardless of what NOAA tells you. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure and subscribe, like this video, share it if you would, and especially leave a comment. We love your comments. We'll see you next time.